In apparel, cheap can be a super expensive word. In this explainer, we'll break down exactly why.
You see that low price tag and think it's a great deal, right? But is it really?
Well, the short answer is usually no. That cheap price can end up costing you big time.
Because think about it. Returns, bad reviews, that stuff can just demolish your brand's reputation.
Okay, so when you get a super low quote, it means they're cutting corners somewhere. Let's look at where.
It's a simple trade-off, really. A supplier can't just lower the price without something giving.
And the worst part? These problems usually don't show up until a customer already has it.
And these kinds of failures, they hit your brand's reputation directly. And it hurts.
So you save a little bit up front, but the long-term cost just wipes those savings right out.
So the real solution is a total mindset shift. Stop chasing price. Start focusing on value. This is all about building a business that lasts, not just grabbing the cheapest deal right now.
But you gotta remember, there's a floor. A price so low, it should be a major red flag. Because some costs are just fixed. If a price is below this baseline, it's a huge gamble. So how do you actually protect your brand and source smarter? Let's get into some practical steps.
Don't skip these checks. Seriously, the risk of getting a bad shipment goes way up if you do.
And right here, this is the difference between how amateurs negotiate and how the pros do it.
These are smart ways to lower factory costs without forcing them to cut corners on quality. A good sourcing partner is like having your own expert team, right there on the factory floor.
They catch problems early and protect your investment before it ever leaves the factory.
All right, so what's the smartest play here? It all boils down to just a few key ideas.
This is exactly how you protect your brand's reputation and your bottom line for the long haul.
So you have to ask yourself, is your strategy building real value, or is it just creating risk?